win sa series na ito. What is it that is working the last game and today that your players are able to buy into and focus on doing despite the resistance na pinakita nila?
Yeah, tama ka, no? This is our first back-to-back wins against in the series, ano? And talo, panalo, and then I told the boys na we have to win because this game 5 is really pivotal. Okay, and usually nananalo ng game 5, ano, malaki ang chances to get into the finals. But still have a lot of work because alam natin, ang kalaban naman natin ay si Never Say Die. So we're expecting na the next game, it will be a lot of energy that will i-apply nila and focus. Just like what happened on game 3 at saka nung isang game namin, talagang out-hustle nila kami. And it happens na na-address namin sa mga players and then we have a bad start in the first quarter and then mga easy ball, 50-50, napupunta sa kanila, but we're able to recover, thank God, no? Dahil player, they realize na this game is really important for us.
Thank you, Coach. Sir, Coach, you were just mentioning about the second group taking pride na talunin kung ano man yung ipakita o introduction ng second group ng kabilang group. But tonight, hindi niya lang pinali yung second group nila, but you played a significant role in leading this victory for your team. Just talk more about that embracing that role.
Wala, una-una, kinapalan ko na yung mukha ko. So, yun ang lahat ng depensa nakafocus din kay Junmar. So palaging na-open ako, so I have to take my shots eh. Kasi kung papasok yan, siyempre iwan ako nikot sa court. Pag hindi na-shoot yan, siyempre, next man up eh. Pero yun na, kami araw-araw kami din nagpa-practice, nag-shooting. So, kumpiyansa ako sa mga tira na binibigay sa akin ng Ginebra.
Can now start with the questions for people.
Coach, yung last start ng very
Yeah, I think that was one of the worst starting team namin, ano. And then in-expect ko naman mangyayari yung ganun situation dahil after a win against Ginebra, alam nila yung importance itong game 5. That's why all out sila. But naka-regroup kami and then they realize na okay, still in the game, it's still only in the first quarter. So yung panic time hindi pa nag-set. Ganyan eh. And then nag-relax, nag-settle, and then we're able to catch up and get the lead after the first half. Courtesy of Jericho, and then yung energy niya talagang naging infectious sa mga teammate niya, and even Jerome Teng, okay, nagpakita siya ng energy and nahawa lahat eh. And that's one thing na binibigyan namin ng pansin dahil it's energy and effort ang kailangan namin dito dahil X and O, alam na nila lahat yan eh. It's a matter of how to execute offensively and defensively.
Jericho, medyo nag-pick up na yung scoring mo this conference, tapos ngayon na 27. So, kapag yung bago yung bother ko yung scoring.
Yun nga, medyo okay na pala yung mukha ako. Wala, talagang it's a next man up mentality para sa team namin. Yung first five, pag hindi sila nagpo-perform well, kami mga second group, we have to step up eh. Yun ang namin sa team. So, siguro it's one of those nights na binigay sa akin ni Lord na maganda yung laro ko ngayon. Pero shoutout din sa mga coaching staff namin. Siyempre, everyday, nandyan sila, nag-motivate sa amin. Kay Coach Leo, sila Coach Ato, sila Coach George. Halos lang buong coaching staff namin na motivate kami mga second group. Ayun.
Coach, si Junmar, okay na marami ng minutes na sa dati.
I think very noticeable naman yung kanyang ginagawa. Still, sabi ko last time pasang awa, 75% pa yung kanyang health eh. And then makikita mo na talagang medyo hesitant pa siya dahil alam niya kung anong na-experience pagka nagkaroon ng injury. Medyo maingat siya. But in the second half, nakita natin talagang yung dominance niya inside the paint nakita natin mga importanteng basket saka yung rebound nakuha niya. And imagine, because of his 6 assists in the second half, I think that's huge for our team.
Coach, yung sabi mo yung winner ng game titles is actually malaki ang chance to win the series. So, how do you see game 6? Tingin mo ang makatapos na ba?
Yeah, we're not looking for that percentage, but every practice, every game, we should give all our best. Especially, this is game 6, so of course, nakikita natin ang laki ng chances na to get into the finals. Okay, so I think it could motivate the players. So kami mga coaches yung motivation namin hanggang doon lang yun But if the players is self-motivated, kahit wala kami motivation, mananalo kami, gagawin nila yung mga dapat gawin. Because in the off-season, lahat na pwede mangyari in the playoffs, ginagawa na namin That's why, counting signal sa kanila, ito gagawin natin. So, nangyayari yun Ang dinidevelop namin habit forming Habit forming para alam nila kung anong gagawin offensively and defensively.
Coach, nanalo kayo this time kay Notre Dame at Bayern na lang yung rebounds ni Troy. Ano lang yung tingin mo sa naging sitwasyon nila sa rebound nila?
I think you have to appreciate that team, even though marami mga players and coming from mga injuries, they still trying to recover from what they left behind, but this team is he never you cannot count them out right away because alam naman natin yung kanilang puso never say die. So expect the next game it will be hard game for both of us guys because we have a chance to close out on the series, but I'm sure it's not easy to get that that feeling.
Close out series na before sa game 6, kakapalan mo pa yung napapakita.
Siyempre, every game. Medyo lang. Siyempre, yung series na to, especially coming up na kailangan namin manalo sa next game namin. Pero ito yung pinakamahirap Siyempre, they will give everything they've got. Ganun din kami. So, it's gonna be a good game. Talagang papanoorin tong game na to. Siyempre, kami hindi kami papadalo So, ayun, we just have to go back tomorrow sa practice, drawing board. Kung ano yung mga mali namin ngayon, i-adjust nila coach yan. Kaya sobrang shoutout sa kanila kasi sobrang hands-on sila sa amin sa practice Every small details pinapaalala sa amin.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, coach.